Hello, aspiring fashionistas. Have you ever wanted to combine the thrill of a relay race with the creativity of a design challenge? Well, get ready for the fashion relay. This isn't your typical game. It's about teamwork, quick thinking, and of course, a dash of style. The fashion relay is more than just running around. It's a fun and engaging way to learn about appropriate dress codes for different occasions. Whether it's a formal dinner, a casual outing, or a day at the office, this game helps you understand what to wear. Now, let's talk about why this game is so great. First off, it's all about teamwork. In the fashion relay, you need to work together to create the best outfits. Communication is key. Second, it teaches you about appropriate attire. You'll learn to differentiate between casual, formal and themed outfits. No more fashion faux pas. And let's not forget the physical activity. Running back and forth gets your heart pumping. It's a great way to sneak in some exercise while having fun. All right, fashion fans, let's get this runway ready. First, divide everyone into teams. 4 to 5 people per team is perfect. Next, gather your materials. You'll need a large space, a timer, and a collection of clothing and accessories. Think hats, scarves, shoes, bags. The more variety, the better. Finally, set up a starting line and a finishing line. Place a large pile of clothing and accessories at the finish line. This is where the real fun begins. Get ready to race. Each team lines up at the starting line. When the timer starts, the first person on each team sprints to the pile of clothing. Their mission: choose one item that fits the designated dress code. For example, if it's business casual, they might grab a blazer or a nice pair of slacks. They then race back to their team and tag the next person. The next player then races to the pile, adds another piece to the outfit and races back. This continues until the team has assembled a complete outfit. Declaring a winner who styled the best. Once a team has completed their outfit, they shout "Fashion forward." The first team to finish with an outfit that correctly matches the dress code wins the round. But, you know, it's not just about speed. The outfits are judged on their creativity and how well they fit the theme. So choose wisely. Fashion forward. Practical applications and key takeaways. The fashion relay is a fantastic activity for team-building workshops, etiquette training, and even school settings. It's a fun and memorable way to teach important life skills. What have we learned? Teamwork is essential. Knowing how to dress for different occasions is important, and a little bit of fun goes a long way. Don't forget to share, subscribe, like, comment, and follow us on YouTube for more training activities and resources. For training requirements in colleges or corporate settings, contact Knowledge Centre for Language and Studies at 999 460 8479. Making fashion fun and educational. The fashion relay game is more than a game, it's an experience. It teaches valuable lessons about teamwork, appropriate attire, and quick thinking. Plus, it's a whole lot of fun, so why not bring a little fashion into your next training program or event? You won't regret it. Share the style. Let's get this game on the runway. Spread the fashion fun. Share this game with your friends, colleagues, and anyone who loves a good challenge. Let's make the fashion relay a runway hit. For more fun team-building activities and training needs, contact us. See you!